Looking for a savory breakfast that's satisfying, high in protein, and easy to prep for the week? Let's make this hearty one-pan breakfast skillet with potatoes, sausage, eggs, onions, and garlic. It's perfect for meal prep or weekend brunch. My name is Lei. Welcome to my kitchen. Start by peeling and dicing 7 medium Yukon Gold potatoes, or whatever potatoes you like or have. Dice a 1/4 cup of onions and mince 3 cloves of garlic. Heat oil in a large pan. Add in your sausage, pork, chicken, or turkey all work great. Once browned, stir in chopped onions and minced garlic. Sauté until everything's fragrant and caramelized. Take the sausage out and set aside. Time to cook potatoes. Add the potatoes to the pan with the dripping from the sausage. Stir to make sure all pieces are evenly coated. Season with salt, pepper, onion and garlic powder, paprika, and mix. Cover the pot and cook for about 10 minutes or so. Open the pot, take a taste test, and add more seasoning to taste. I added more salt. Cover and cook for a few more minutes until the potatoes are almost done. Add back the sausage and mix well. The last step, make a dent into the potato sausage mix. Add a whole egg into the spot. I cracked the eggs on the side in a small bowl to avoid eggshells. Repeat these 6 more times. Season the eggs with a bit salt and pepper, and cover the pot to cook on low heat. The eggs are essentially baked, quote unquote, in this case. After the eggs are cooked to your liking, you can serve this right away with salsa or whatever sauce you like, or divide it into meal prep containers. I added salsa to each portion. It stores well in the fridge for up to a week and reheats perfectly. Alternatively, you can also freeze them and take 1 container out the night before and leave it in the fridge for reheating. If you love savory, satisfying, time-saving, easy to make, give this one a try. Budget-friendly and perfect for meal prep. Thanks for watching. Please check in the description below for ingredients, step-by-step cooking instructions, and links to products frequently used in my videos. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe for more authentic dishes from around the world. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.